Good morning everybody, 6:15. It is early. Once again, as usual, I'm at home. We're actually off on a surf mission this morning, myself and Mike. So, here we're taking the boat out. There's some swell running. We're going to try our little secret spot that's hopefully secret, that's hopefully good. And then, if not, we'll just come back to Tawharanui. So, yeah, we'll be heading out in the boat very shortly. Yeah!
Well, it's about 8 AM. We're at our secret spot. We're hoping for waves, but
It's too secret.
it's too secret. Not even the swells know about it. That's where we are. If you can name where we are, I'll give you a t-shirt.
That's big.
That's big.
That's really
Rogue wave. Wait, it's dropping anchor here at Tawharanui. Certainly no secret where we are. Doesn't look that good. Looks quite close-outy, but we'll get in there and see how it goes.
Doing it, Peter.
That's sick. Checking Omaha now. She looks pretty damn jam-packed. Way more people out than we thought.
Surf over, kickback time, pizza, chips, a drink or two, a coffee.
Right, lunch is over, just going down for another little surf check to see if there's sort of wave skim down here, because there's a lot of north in the swell and it is kind of missing the northern end, but I'll know in a few seconds. Right, the day's getting on. I've actually got a little bit of work to do now. Just going to go do some drop-offs for a print job I've done and pick up some fuel for the winch tomorrow in case we're going to use it. I'm not quite sure what the plan is for the next couple of hours, but I'm going to go check the surf. Would like to shoot some drone footage. Back at my sheds now, bringing the old Ricochet back. There's something new here, which I'll show you now. Now they've moved this house in, which here's the sheds. And what I was thinking, it's a 3-bedroom house, it's all locked up at the moment, but I thought this little pad here, seeing it is right by my sheds, would be a cool spot for like an office sort of showroom area. Whether or not I have spoke to the owner about it, whether or not I go any further with that I'm not sure yet, because I'd have to get a flatmate and things in, but really good chance to have more an office shop sort of showroom, which I am thinking about. Not quite sure what other people think, but that's sort of where I would like to move to next season. This place won't be ready for a couple months or two. Possibly thinking of, you know, future-proofing the business, and obviously if anyone comes on board, this place is ideal for them right now. But I've got to look for a new space for the boat. The boat used to live around here, but of course now there's a house here. Right, that's it. Found the boat's new resting posse. It's actually been a pretty fun day. Got a lot of editing from today's footage. Tomorrow's plans are a little bit up in the air, but I am going to get up early in the morning and go shoot from a spot we went to today for sunrise, and then probably go for a surf, and then basically just take the day as it comes. Got a little bit of work to do tomorrow, and that's about it. I'm Sam Price. I will see you at the beach.